This is an introduction to area and perimeter. I won't talk about how to find the area of certain shapes like circles or triangles. I will just be talking about what area and perimeter means. I will discuss perimeter first. The perimeter is a length or distance around an object. Imagine if you had some string or yarn and you wrapped it around the shape as close as you can. The length of that string would be considered the perimeter. Perimeter units follow whatever unit used to measure them, such as feet, or inches, or meters, or centimeters. Whatever unit measures distance is what your perimeter will be. Area refers to how much space an object covers. All the space inside the white lines would be considered area. The units for area are a little different from perimeter. This is because we usually consider the measurements of two sides of the shape. If we divide our shape according to the measurements, we can see the squares that they form. From here, you can either add all the squares that you see, or you can just simply multiply them. The way we notate square units is to keep the same unit of measure that we use to measure the sides. Then we add a little exponent 2 to the units. The square units can come in any size. For example, square miles would measure a large area. But if you use square inches, obviously not to scale, the squares would be a lot smaller. To review, perimeter is the distance or length around an object, as if you took a piece of string, wrapped it around a shape, and then measured that length or distance. Units will be in feet, or inches, or miles, or whatever you use to measure. Area is the space that the object covers. The units for area are whatever you use to measure it, but squared, such as feet squared, or inches squared, or miles squared.